Grapes are one of the most popular fruits since ancient times, and have always been popular with the Romans, Greeks, and ancient Egyptians, and are currently spread in most parts of the world, and are eaten for their sweet and delicious taste and for their great benefits to the body. Grapes are available in several varieties and colors. We find red grapes, green grapes, and purple grapes, and can be used to make jam, molasses, and various juices. And when dried, we can get raisins, and you may find types of seedless grapes and some with seeds, and grapes in general are an ideal source of many nutrients and antioxidants. 1. Reduce cholesterol levels. Grapes contain dietary fibers, active substances, and antioxidants, so it will have a great role in reducing blood cholesterol, and red grapes in particular contain large concentrations of resveratrol, which contributes to controlling cholesterol levels in the body. 2. Promoting cardiovascular health. Since eating grapes contributes to controlling cholesterol levels in the body, it will certainly contribute to promoting arterial and heart health, mostly due to its high content of potassium and magnesium, which are important for regulating the functioning of the heart and various blood vessels and controlling blood pressure levels. 3. Prevention of anemia. Due to its high iron content, grapes are important in the process of making hemoglobin, which is necessary for the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. 4. Promote digestive health and metabolism. The high fiber content in grapes of all kinds contributes significantly to the health of the digestive system and improves metabolism in the body, and helps facilitate digestion. The high fiber content of grapes also contains minerals such as potassium. Potassium is a cofactor in the work of the intestines, muscles, and nerves, and regulates the balance of fluids in the body. 5. Preventing constipation. Thanks to their high fiber content, grapes help facilitate the body's digestion and excretion process, eliminate waste, and certainly help prevent constipation. 6. Boosting immunity. One of the most prominent benefits of grapes is boosting immunity, as the antioxidants contained in grapes contribute to strengthening the body's immunity. In addition to the presence of resveratrol, which works to impart anti-inflammatory properties in grapes, making it a fruit that helps prevent infectious diseases and various inflammations, especially arthritis, in addition to the fact that grapes help relieve cramps thanks to its high magnesium content. 7. Promote oral health. The acids in grapes help promote oral health by contributing to the creation of a balanced environment in the mouth. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and hit the subscribe button to receive all new content from the channel, and thank you.